Are you looking for the best high-resolution 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best high-resolution 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ELEGOO MAZ 2 Pro Resin 3D Printer. The ELEGOO MAZ 2 Pro Mono is a high-performance MSLA resin 3D printer designed for precision and efficiency. It features a 6.08-inch 2K monochrome LCD with a resolution of 2560 by 1620 pixels, allowing faster curing times of approximately 2 seconds per layer and a longer lifespan compared to traditional RGB LCDs. The printer offers a build volume of 129 by 80 by 160 mm, 5.1 by 3.1 by 6.3 inches, making it ideal for creating detailed miniatures, prototypes, and small parts. With an XY resolution of 50 microns and a Z-axis accuracy of 0.00125 mm, the MAZ 2 Pro Mono delivers high-precision prints. It operates via a 3.5-inch capacitive touchscreen, supports USB connectivity, and is compatible with slicing software such as Chitubox. Its robust metal frame and integrated 405 nm UV LED light source ensure stable performance and consistent results, making it a reliable choice for hobbyists and professionals seeking detailed resin printing capabilities. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v2. The Creality Ender 3v2 is a versatile and user-friendly 3D printer that offers a range of features suitable for both beginners and experienced makers. It boasts a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, providing ample space for various printing projects. Equipped with a 32-bit silent motherboard, it ensures quieter operation compared to its predecessors, enhancing the overall printing experience. The printer also features a carborundum glass platform, which allows for better adhesion and smoother first layers, contributing to improved print quality. Additionally, the resume printing function enables the printer to recover from power outages or interruptions, minimizing the risk of print failures. With its sturdy construction and user-friendly interface, the Ender 3v2 is a reliable choice for those seeking a high-quality 3D printing solution. Number 3. ANYCUBIC 4K Plus Resin 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4K is a high-resolution resin 3D printer designed for enthusiasts and professionals seeking detailed and efficient printing. It features a 6.23-inch monochrome 4K LCD screen with a resolution of 3840 by 2400 pixels, delivering a fine XY pixel size of 35 mm and high light transmittance, ensuring sharp and accurate prints. The printer offers a build volume of 165 by 132 by 80 mm, suitable for a variety of print sizes, and its monochrome screen allows for faster curing times of approximately 1.5 seconds per layer, with a lifespan up to 4 times longer than traditional RGB screens. Operating at a printing speed of up to 50 mm per hour, the Photon Mono 4K combines rapid prototyping capabilities with high precision. Its robust design and user-friendly interface make it an excellent choice for hobbyists and professionals seeking high-quality, efficient resin 3D printing. Number 4. ELEGOO MAZ 4 MSLA 3D Printer. The ELEGOO MAZ 4 is a high-resolution MSLA resin 3D printer designed for enthusiasts and professionals seeking precise and efficient printing. It features a 7-inch 9K monochrome LCD with a resolution of 8520 by 4320 pixels and an 18 micrometers XY resolution, enabling the creation of intricate models with sharp edges and smooth surfaces. The printer offers a build volume of 153.36 by 77.76 by 175 mm, 6.04 by 3.06 by 6.89 inches, and utilizes a powerful COB light source for uniform UV exposure, ensuring consistent print quality. A laser-carved build plate enhances adhesion to reduce print failures, while the 3.5-inch touchscreen interface allows easy monitoring and adjustments during printing. With a printing speed of up to 70 mm per hour, the MAZ 4 combines rapid prototyping capabilities with exceptional detail, making it an excellent choice for creators seeking precision, efficiency, and high-quality resin prints. Number 5. Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D Printer. The original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is a renowned DIY 3D printer kit that combines advanced features with user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced makers. With a build volume of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.3 inches, it offers ample space for a variety of projects. The kit includes removable spring steel print sheets, smooth, textured, and satin, allowing for easy removal of prints and compatibility with a wide range of filament types. Assembly is straightforward, with detailed instructions and all necessary components provided, making it an engaging and educational experience. Once assembled, the MK3S Plus features automatic bed leveling, ensuring optimal first layer adhesion and consistent print quality. Additional features include power loss recovery, filament sensor, and silent operation, enhancing the overall printing experience. This printer is a reliable and versatile choice for those seeking high-quality 3D printing capabilities.